permission. We got permission at Walmart. We got permission to do it legit so you ain't got to worry about no fucking cops, detectives or nothing. This nigga got all y'all niggas plates on motherfucking Home Depot video security shit. He ain't got no fucking permission being here, period. And this nigga sit there rats all you motherfuckers out. I'm telling you this in front of everybody. The police come to my man's house, I'm bringing it to your fucking doorstep. You feel me? I know your mother. Huh? Yeah, I know where you live. Believe you me.
1 star.
So you sit here in front for everybody else like you about that life? You really not, my dude. You really not. You ain't about that fucking life, son. You is really not about that life. You fuck with my crew, dude, it's over for you, son. This is my second warning to you. Next time, I'm not just gonna throw a gun in your fucking mouth, my dude. Stop motherfucking blowing niggas up, man. You hear me? Next time, I'm playing for keeps, my dude. I'm coming to your house, and I'm bringing it to your fucking doorstep. And don't think I told you, my peoples is everywhere. Everywhere. You don't know who I know, my dude. Stop fucking snitching, my dude, and stop disrespecting niggas. You is pussy. You don't call niggas I roll with dickheads and assholes on Facebook. This is real life right here, nigga. I'm about that fucking life. You feel me? I'm trying to do everything in my power not to motherfucking knock all your goddamn teeth out. You feel me? Because you see that girl right there? You need to thank her. Kiss her fucking feet. And thank her for me. She said, Rob, do not hurt him. It's not worth it. Thank her. Thank her, motherfucker.
Where the fuck are you?
No, ho. Let him thank Nicole first. Thank her. That woman right there saved your fucking life. That woman right there saved your fucking life. The first time, this nigga right here saved your fucking life. The first time you disrespect my fucking team, there's a fucking problem. I'm gonna bring it to your fucking doorstep. Stop fronting like you about that life when you really not, my dude. You good?
Did you go over there and say, yo, you okay, bro? Did you? No, you didn't. You created this meat. If some shit like that happens, you come to me. There's a lady here, she's a nurse. She checked on me. All my friends checked on me. That's just your meat.
Alright.
You gotta understand, you have some fucking responsibility. And if some shit like that happens again, next time, be a man, walk up. Alright? That's what you do.
Next time, let this be the last time, Danny boy, because you is not the most fucking wanted. You is not the most fucking wanted, my nigga. Real talk. Next time, I will motherfucking flip your fucking car over. That lady, again, stop me from getting my motherfucking team, getting medieval on your fucking ass. I'm calling you out in front of all these motherfucking people. You disrespect my team one more fucking time, or any other team for that matter, who's really about this motherfucking life. I will bring it to your fucking doorstep. Do you not hear me, boy? Do you not motherfucking hear me, boy? Huh? Say it louder so the people can hear you.